guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandy and today we are at MEIJER and we're going to Dollar Tree to get cleaning and organizational supplies. Yay! So I'm really liking all of these scents. There's apple cider, which I'm not sure I can smell for long periods of time though while I'm doing dishes. The mum one smells pretty good, but I think I'm gonna go with the acorn spice. Reminds me of fall. Like the smell is so good. I want my whole house to smell like this. So I think I'm gonna go with acorn spice dish soap, the hand soap, and then for the bathroom I'm gonna try this rainwater one because, you know, bathroom you want things smelling a little more fresh. I don't know if I want the spray, kiddo. I still have a bunch of other ones like the honeysuckle. Okay, so I think gonna get the multi-surface spray because then the whole house will end up smelling like this while I'm cleaning. I was gonna get the candle too, but I've seen some other candles from like Yankee Candle I think are gonna be a better fit for my house. Oh yeah, speaking of these mops, I don't think this is the right section, but I have to get like more spray for that wet jet or whatever it's called. I ran out of the lavender spray so I can clean my kitchen with. Eury and Gideon are looking at vacuums.
Yeah, doggy vacuum.
Yeah, I think they just like them because of the pictures of the dogs.
Puppy.
One of the last cleaning things that I'm gonna get is the for wet jet stuff in the lavender scent, like always, lavender vanilla. These are so freaking cute. Kind of expensive though, but I really want one. This is like a little topper. It's nice. I can imagine the kids would not, yeah, they'd probably break that though. Eury, spiced pumpkin.
If you guys ever go to MEIJER, try and smell this over here.
Yeah.
You'll see the sign right here that says New Farmers Market Collection. It smells so good. And you have to smell pumpkin, spiced pumpkin.
Smell good?
Yes, I love it. You guys have to.
Ooh, sweet maple chai.
Mommy, are we buying this?
Maybe. These are really good too. This is my absolute favorite smelling candle. I think eucalyptus and mint leaf are really good together. Now that we're done with the MEIJER run, we are headed into Dollar Tree to get those bins and things so that we can organize.
Put them in a bag.
Okay, it looks like we're kind of limited at this dollar store. They don't have as many options as I was hoping for, but I got a few things so that we can organize Eury's room, and then just like some extra light bulbs. She just has a whole bunch of like small toys like LOL dolls and like a lot of arts and crafts stuff that are just everywhere. I'm just having a hard time finding like a nice big square one, because all the square ones that they already have are really small. So I guess we'll just have to make do with what we have. And I think I'm gonna get a couple of these mesh laundry bags. Could always use some of those. Oh, they already have all of their fall stuff out. Yes. Alright guys, now we're back home, so I'm going to show you guys what I got really quick. It's not much, but I thought I'd show you either way. Okay, so first I got some paper towels at MEIJER, and then, as you guys saw, I did decide on getting the rainwater scent. This is going to go in the bathroom. And then all three of these are going to be for around the house and the kitchen. So I got hand soap, I got dish soap of the acorn spice, and then I also got the multi-surface cleaner. because I think it's going to smell really good and remind me of fall while I'm cleaning, and that's always a positive. And then when we went to the Dollar Tree, we couldn't really find everything that we needed, but we got a few things. So I just got this bin. I've been seeing other people on YouTube talking about how they have gray ones and they have these like fancier designs, but my Dollar Tree doesn't have those. I don't know if it's because it's like a smaller Dollar Tree, but if your Dollar Tree has like white and gray ones with like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a fancier design on here. Leave it in the comments below. But these are going to be for Eury's room, so I think the colorful ones probably just fit better anyway. So this is probably going to be for like all of her little smaller toys. That way they're not getting lost in the bottom of her huge bin. Then we got this really big, long bin, and I figured that this is going to be the one that's going to be for arts and crafts. That way it has just more room for like paints, paintbrushes, and all that kind of stuff. And then I just got this extra one, which I really don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I figure you could always use bins in kids' rooms, right? So we'll figure out what that is. And then one of the other things I got there was mesh laundry bags. I didn't know they sold these at the dollar store. So I got this, which comes with 3 because whenever, you know, for delicates or for shoes or even for toys, sometimes like we've bagged toys before and then just throwing them into the washer, and it makes it so much easier. So we got that. And I just got one of these small laundry baskets because we have a couple of big ones, and then we have a couple of small mesh ones that are really soft and like wired, but they broke. So hopefully this will do for now. And I'm probably going to put it outside the kids' room. That way it's like really easy for them to put their clothes away. And then the last thing that we got is another one of these Swiffer Wet Jet refills. And Gideon is so excited. He's been asking me to refill it. He loves this Swiffer Wet Jet thing. And he, even though we ran out on this one, he still keeps like pressing the button and like pretending to mop. And he does this on a daily basis. So I promised him that we would get a refill so that he can keep Swiffering the floor. Right, Kitty?
Yeah.
Are you excited to Swiffer the floor? Excited to use the spray thingy? Yeah? You want to help me refill it? Yeah. All right, put it in. You did it! Good job!
Wait, it's still not.
Oh,
Now go.
good job, you did it.
Now I cannot mop.
Now you can mop, that's right.
What has happened?
It sprayed out.
But how does it spray out?
It sprays out that little hole in the front.
Where the holes are front?
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Of course, you can do it. Good job. This little boy, he likes being my little cleaning helper. Right, Katie?
Yeah. This is a very cool mop.
It is very cool. You're very strong.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
I'm gonna, when I'm done, I'm gonna tell Sissy don't come in here because,
Because it's slippery?
yeah, because it's slippery.
That's a very good idea.
I mean, when she comes out, I'm gonna tell her because I'm mopping and it's gonna be really slippery.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So,
Alright. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. Can you say bye?
bye.
Bye.